hair fall, oily scalp, itchy scalp, hair loss. If you associated these problems with lack of hair care, then think again. Today I'm going to share with you scalp care routine to fix your hair care. After all, scalp care is the new skincare. Once I understood the impact of scalp care in my overall hair health, it was a game changer for me. Welcome to Blush with Me. So, mistake number 1 is ignoring your scalp care. If you truly want healthy hair, the biggest mistake you can make is to neglect your scalp health. Luckily, many of the things you can do to keep your facial skin healthy can also be applied to your scalp. How simple is that? Your scalp is skin too, and it is subject to many of the same issues as facial skin as we age. Dryness, lack of firmness, needs hydration, nourishment, etc. But we ignore our scalp because most people think, well, you can't see my scalp. But in fact, you can, because your hair health is a direct reflection of your scalp health. Something as basic as hot shower directly on your scalp can be very damaging. Try room temperature or ideally cold water rinse after a hot shower. Cold water rinse or lukewarm shower does not dry out your scalp and cause temporary inflammation the way hot water does, which in long run can cause hair loss. You use serums for your face, right? Just like you use facial serums, this lightweight, non-greasy superpower hair serum from Better Not Younger penetrates more deeply into your scalp skin to deliver high concentration of minerals, vitamins, and botanicals to nourish your scalp and the baby hair follicles that are growing from within. If you saw this video, I even mentioned how after seeing those baby hair growing, I started using it on my eyebrows too. Do check out that video on how I fixed my dry and thin hair in my 40s. So this superpower serum has ingredients like ginger, caffeine, and kelp to help nourish your scalp and promote healthy hair growth. So your scalp skin that is becoming weaker with age will again start getting that strength back, that firmness back in the scalp. Since it is non-greasy, you can apply it daily as a leave-in scalp treatment. You've heard of leave-in hair treatment, but now you have a leave-in scalp treatment. So the way you apply it is pick up the product with the dropper, like so. Apply 1 to 2 drops every 2 inches to cover your scalp. Gently massage and evenly distribute over your whole scalp. Next thing we do to religiously take care of our facial skin is to exfoliate and get rid of all that dead skin. You exfoliate your face, but you ignore exfoliating your scalp. Don't you think just like your face or body, the skin on your scalp has a buildup of dead skin cells too? Fun fact, when you age, your skin cell turnover slows down, which results in dead skin cells building up on your skin's surface, leading to dullness and clogged pores. The same happens on your scalp too. The dead skin cells can block the pores that your hair follicles grow out of. How will they grow effectively if your pores are blocked? It is so important to keep the skin on your scalp cleansed and exfoliated, and also remove any styling product buildup that can also clog pores, compromising your healthy hair growth. Better Not Younger's new Dawn Activated Charcoal Scalp Cleanser exfoliates. It detoxifies and removes any kind of product buildup, dirt, or residue. When you apply this exfoliating scalp cleanser with the silicone applicator brush that you can see here, you can massage and stimulate microcirculation on your scalp. This also avoids any kind of harsh friction while massaging your scalp. Massaging hair and scalp at the root. The fine charcoal in it absorbs all the oil and dirt that's on your scalp, and then the lactic acid in it dissolves any kind of buildup around your blocked pores. Apply this product once or twice a week before you shampoo and condition your hair, and that's how simple it is to unclog and reset your scalp. I am someone who has tried different products constantly to improve the quality of my life, my skin, my health, and yet I missed out on the fact that scalp care, especially exfoliating your scalp, can be so important. I know this is going to be very, very beneficial to people who are looking to improve the quality of your hair and your scalp. Make sure to watch this video till the end to see the transformation in my hair fall in the last 2 months. Now let's talk about taking care of your scalp from within. Just as you take vitamins and collagen to help your skin stay healthy and supple, you need to nourish your scalp from inside out. Power Within gummies. These are super delicious and they contain marine 1 and 3 type collagen that strengthen the skin and scalp elasticity that contains your hair roots to promote healthier hair growth. Take 1 serving of 2 gummies daily and give your hair a few weeks before you start seeing the true transformation. When you use products that make your scalp and hair healthy, you will have to depend lesser on products such as dry shampoos and hairsprays that have been some of the biggest reasons for my hair fall and my hair dryness over the last few years. If you wouldn't use it on your face, why would you use it on your scalp? I mean, what was I thinking? Why was I using all these products? My hair is much happier and healthier since I stopped using shampoos that have sulfate in them. You'll notice when the scalp is healthier, it does not become oily every second day, which means I don't need to wash my hair as frequently as I used to. And last but not the least, drink a lot of water and protect your scalp from direct sunlight. Scalp and hair is what gets exposed to sun more than your face. So protect your scalp, nourish it, take good care of it. You have just learned about scalp care. I myself learned about all of this very recently. So when you get any of these Better Not Younger products for yourself or start applying any of the tips that I shared today in your daily scalp care routine, please be patient and you will see a huge difference in the way your hair starts looking. We are all aging. All these years we had only heard about hair care. But my today's topic and tips will help you open your eyes towards the importance of scalp care. Thank you Better Not Younger for partnering with me on this video. This is a very thoughtfully curated hair care line for women over 40. I absolutely love their products as well as their purpose to address the root causes of aging hair with holistic solutions. Take a look at my average hair fall 2 months ago. And this is my hair fall today.
Seriously? Amazing! Half a hair. One little. You can't see it. My hair is glued to my scalp. That's awesome news. Experiment success.
Now that is a true transformation in my hair. I did not expect this, but I'm super thrilled. I thought the number of hair I was losing was the average hair fall, but no. My hair quality has changed, my hair fall has reduced, and I'm very happy with my hair and scalp transformation. Why should I be the only one who experiences these amazing products? For my Blush With Me family, Better Not Younger is offering a special 20% discount on all Better Not Younger products. You can use the promo code Parmita20 when you're shopping the products that you love. Giveaway! Did I just hear giveaway? Let's talk about a $250 giveaway from Better Not Younger. One of you can try almost all Better Not Younger products if you win this giveaway. It is very simple to participate and win. Make sure to comment with the word hair care or share one of your hair care tips below. Write the country you live in. If you're on Instagram, follow Better Not Younger and Blush With Me Parmita. Subscribe to my channel if the information I share is useful to help you become the better version of yourself. Like and share this video with your friends. I am Parmita, a Chicago-based image coach determined to transform your image with every video every week. Yes, you will see me here next week once again. Please suggest topics that you want to see on my channel. They all go in the comments below. If you want me to be your image coach one-on-one, then you will see my email below. Please reach me if you want to work with me. The best way to age is age better, not younger. See you next week. Until then, blush with me.